Hello guys and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. Got a balance sitting in PayPal and need it in your real world bank account. So this here the process is simple, but you have a choice to make between the free and fast. So in order to start, let's talk about it. First, let's look at the most common method. It's going to be your transfer money and transfer to bank type. So you open up your PayPal and tap on your balance. On the desktop, you go here and just tap on the balance. And then just choose your linked bank account and select standard transfer. And this is still free and typically takes 1 to 3 business days to hit your account. And also, it's the best option if you aren't in a rush and want to keep every penny of your earnings. And if you need the money right now, you can choose the instant transfer. So in the same menu, you select the eligible debit card, and then you can just review the fee and then begin the transfer. The fee is at around 175%. Hit confirm, and then the money will usually arrive in your bank in under 30 minutes. And also guys, don't forget, before you hit withdraw, double check that the name on your bank account matches your PayPal name exactly. If they don't match, the transfer could fail and you might be charged a returned item fee. And also remember that weekends and bank holidays don't count as business days for standard transfers. And that is it. Now your money is on the way. If this withdrawal guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.